Hey guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope all you guys are having a super amazing day going on. I can't wait to start the class. I've been waiting from 7:15, but I was like, "Cheek hai, let Nabamita ma'am complete her class, and then I'm gonna go and start teaching for all of you." But again, if you guys are new here, a very warm welcome to Vedantu Young Wonders and to my class. My name is Mohan, Master Teacher of Science from Vedantu, and if you're here, that means you're here for the CBSE class 7th. One short revision of physical and chemical changes along with a VQuiz. That is what we have right today, guys. So again, a very warm welcome. What's up? What's happening, people? Hi Alina, hi the Bob, hi technical Sinchan, hi. Good evening. Hi Mrunmai, hi Mrunmai, hi Yashashvi, hello. कैसे हो आप लोग? எப்படி இருக்கீங்க எல்லாரும்? ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? చెప్పండి త్వరగా చెప్పండి, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఆల్ గుడ్ అల్జీబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అయ్యో. We are learning about physical and chemical changes right today, guys. So again, welcome to the session. Yeah. Let's start, people. Let's start. If you are new here, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. Why should you subscribe? Because so many amazing classes. Look at this. Algebraic is coming. So many amazing classes in Vedantu Young Wonders. So if you want to know, if you want to watch all those classes, you will have to subscribe. See, how to become a YouTuber is there. Best motivation videos there. Black Panther Wakanda Forever is there. So make sure that you guys hit on the subscribe button. Abhi se abhi jaldi. Okay, where is the subscribe button? सब्सक्राइब बटन तो यहाँ पे है. ओके, मैंने ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब कर चुका हूँ. आप लोग की बारी है. आप लोग सब्सक्राइब करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, ठीक है? Alright, that's my Hindi for everybody. Let us start with the session. Also hit on the like button, guys. Hi. Let me also give a hi here. Hi. Okay, cool. Let's go for physical and chemical changes. So here is your first important info for everybody. So if you guys are there on Instagram, what are you doing? Follow me on Instagram, because you get to know a lot of amazing things, lot of updates. You can hit me up there, you can ask me doubts, you can get to know a lot of things, interact with me. So make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is learn_with_Mohan. Okay, next one. So what is going to be today's topic? As I already told you, we will be learning about physical changes, what is chemical changes, rusting of iron, and crystallization. All of these topics is what we will be covering right now in the session. Abhi se abhi. And why should you focus till the end of the class is because look at this, people. Just below my video ke niche, video kinda, you can find a beautiful link here. Yeah, very beautiful link here. Click on this link. इस लिंक को आप लोग क्लिक करने के बाद एक और बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल पेज ओपन हो जाएगा. वो तो वीक क्विज का पेज है. सो जल्दी से जल्दी यू गाइज एंटर द क्विज राइट नाउ. गाइज एंटर द क्विज. वेट फॉर मी टू स्टार्ट द क्विज, बिकॉज you guys can be the top winners or top leaderboard, your names on the leaderboard if you answer all the questions correct. So come on, quickly join the quiz. The link is right below my video. Come on, everybody. Hi Gaurav. Come on everybody. Where is the link? The link is right below my video, guys. Here is the link. Join. Come on. Join, everybody. Join. But wait a minute, guys. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Why is the link different? Or you can go to www.vquiz.in and use the code 227825. You can use this. Come on. Go to www.vquiz.in and use the code 227825. That is your code to attend the quiz. What will you get if you attend the quiz? You will get beautiful stars. Come on. Everybody, attend this quiz. 227825 is your link. Everybody, that's your link. This is a little wrong, guys. Okay, come on. Okay, by the time you guys join, let's talk about the chapter for today, guys. So it is going to be physical and chemical changes. What is happening? Okay, here it is. Shuru kare jaldi se jaldi. Yeah. Let's talk about changes around us. Guys, if you see around you, there are so many things happening, right? Let's talk about our own body. Nails are always growing. Your hair is always growing, right? Your muscles are growing, right? If you look outside, there are plants which are growing always, right? Your mom is making that biryani and the rice is getting cooked. So if you see, so many such changes happen all around us, right? The nature of these changes is similar or different. Are all the changes the same? No, not at all. Because if you look at some changes, those can be reversed, right? When we get back the paper, and the properties will remain the same, but we cannot get back the fruits. For example, let's take a piece of kagidam. Kagidam in Tamil means paper. Okay, learn Tamil today. I've been learning Hindi and it's time for you guys to learn Tamil. It's Tamil. Okay, if I have a piece of paper, if I fold this, if I again fold this, the change has happened here. If I open, it again comes back to its normal position, right? These are some changes. Some changes, for example, making biryani. Once you make biryani, will it come back again? No, right? So there are many changes that we all have. First, let's talk about something called as, already in our 6th grade, we all have learned about what is reversible change, irreversible change. The changes which can be reversed back to its original form are reversible changes. Example, folding or crushing of paper. The changes which cannot be reversed back to its original form is called as chemical changes. For example, burning of this paper. Right? Now, that is for 6th grade. But now you guys are in 7th grade. So you will have to learn about what is physical and what is chemical changes. So a change where no new substances are formed. It is the same substance undergoing a change. That is your physical change. For example, let us say you took a cup of ice cream, but you forgot to eat it because you're watching my class. Wow, how good is Mohan sir? How well is he teaching? And then you're like, oh, my ice cream. Your ice cream got melted. But there is a way to make it into ice again. What is the way, guys? What do you guys do? How do you make it into ice again? Tell me quickly. You just take the ice cream, the molten ice cream, and keep it in the refrigerator. It becomes into ice. By freezing it, exactly. So you're bringing back the same ice cream again. So it's a reversible change. It's a physical change because it's the same substance undergoing the change. There is no new product formed. Tearing of paper, shredding of paper. It is the same paper, guys. Same paper. Is there any new substance? No. But its physical property is changed. Shape, size, everything is changing. So that is also a physical change. Boiling is a physical change. Chopping of wood is a physical change. Okay. One thing which you guys should not get confused is, not all the physical changes are reversible. No. Not all the physical changes are reversible. Reversible, you forget. It has nothing to do with physical or chemical. Because look at this. If I tear the paper, can we call this as reversible? No, it's irreversible. We tore it. We can't bring it back. So it's a physical change but not reversible. Chopping of wood also. Understood? Great. Now, for example, boiling of water, right? Evaporation is a physical change. Melting is a physical change. Freezing is a physical change. So change in the state, solid to liquid to gas, gas to liquid to solid, is also a physical change. Ice to water to vapor, physical change. So during a physical change, no heat, no light, no sound are formed. Only the physical properties are altered. What can be the physical property? The shape of it, the size of it, right? Right? All of those are physical properties of that object. Those things get changed. And changes are temporary and reversible in nature. Some are not reversible. Got it? So chemical properties of the substance also remains the same. Yeah. If you take a glass of water, it's H2O. If you freeze it into ice, it is H2O. If you vaporize it, it is H2O. Is there anything new that is forming? No. It is the same thing, same cheese that becomes into the same thing again. But what is changing? The state is changing. What are states? Liquids, solids and gases. That state is changing. Understood? Yeah? Yes, people? States of matter. Exactly, Anita. Correct. अब हम लोग देखेंगे केमिकल चेंज क्या होता है इस केमिकल चेंज में in the chemical change the change in the material into something else one material becomes into something else with different properties one or more new substances are formed Ayyo. For example if I burn this paper what is formed guys tell me if I burn this paper what will form ash Pokemon Ash. Ash is what? It's a new substance. Paper is something else. Ash is something else. Right? Anita is from MVM Uttarakhand. MVM, what is the full form of MVM? Maharishi Vidya Mandir. Is it that MVM? Exactly. So, paper becomes into ash, which is irreversible. Right? It's a new substance. So, in a chemical change, what happens? New substances are formed. Got it? Example, when we burn magnesium ribbon. What happens when magnesium ribbon burns? When magnesium ribbon burns, it reacts with oxygen to produce magnesium oxide. Understood, guys? Understood? It becomes into magnesium oxide. It's a new substance. See? It's a new substance. And if you dissolve this magnesium oxide in water, that also becomes into magnesium hydroxide, new substance. Or let's talk about displacement reaction between iron and copper. When you put iron inside copper sulfate, it becomes into ferrous sulfate. That is also a new substance. Or when you blow carbon dioxide inside lime water becomes milky because of calcium carbonate. That is also a chemical change. Right? So all of these are chemical changes which are permanent changes. It's not irreversible. Change in color, change in odor, production of new gases or vapor, input or release of energy, difficult to reverse. All of these are some of the properties of chemical changes. Understood, guys? Understood, everybody? Clear? Clear? Those two chemical reactions, let's try to understand, everybody. Yeah? Those two chemical changes we'll try to understand. Let's go to my profile. Because I want Safed board. Whiteboard I want. New whiteboard. Okay. Let's now learn this. Okay. First experiment that was called as the chemical change was what, guys? So many wires on my table. First experiment that was done is burning of magnesium ribbon. Magnesium का formula क्या है? Magnesium का formula है Mg. Whenever we burn something, that means it's burning in the presence of oxygen. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to produce the ash, which is magnesium oxide. This is your ash. So a new substance is formed, right? Can we call this as a chemical change? Of course. Of course. Is this balanced? I'll teach you balancing also. LHS and RHS. You have to balance what is there in the LHS, what is there in the RHS. How to balance chemical reactions. Okay. How many molecules, how many atoms of oxygen do you have? 2. Here, okay, let's write. So on the LHS you have magnesium, you have oxygen. On the RHS you have magnesium, you have oxygen. Here there is 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay, we have to balance the oxygen, right? Okay. we'll add 2 here. Now it became 2. Magnesium also became 2. Now 2, 2, 1, 2. We have to balance this. How to balance this? Oh, 2 magnesium. Okay, 2 oxygen is already there. Okay, 2 magnesium, just add 2 here. Balancing of chemical equation done. Okay, this is one reaction which we understood as a chemical change. There is one more. One more very beautiful reaction. Please listen to me carefully. This reaction is called as displacement reaction. What is this displacement reaction? Let's call our friend. Who's our friend, guys? Who's our friend? Who's our friend? Okay, in every hero, in every movie, there is a hero and a heroine, right? Let's draw the hero. This is our hero, Guddu. Guddu is with his heroine, with Goody. They both are happily living. Okay, but the villain comes. Who's the villain, guys? Who's the villain? Some big villain comes. He's very strong. His biceps are like this. Very, very strong he is. Very strong guy. Now what does the villain do is, the villain will come and kick the hero. Ayyo. The villain will kick the hero and the hero will fly and go, and he will be crying here. He'll be dead. Rest in peace. He's dead. Now who is with the heroine? The villain is with the heroine, right? The villain is happily, now he is with the heroine. He's like high five, he's happy now. Hey, what's up? What's up? But heroine is crying. Okay, now why am I teaching all this? It's because what has happened, guys? We saw that the villain was very strong and the hero was weak. That is why the villain was able to kill the hero, right? He was more reactive. More reactive. The same thing happens in displacement reaction. What happens? In displacement reaction, the more reactive element, the more reactive element will displace the less reactive element. Understood? Understood. You're the best drawer of the world. But how to put this in the formula, sir? Give us an example. Okay. Let's take some iron particles. Iron का formula क्या है? Fe. Fe होता है iron. ठीक है. We are taking some iron and we are putting it in copper sulfate, a salt solution, right? Copper sulfate का formula क्या होता है? CuSO4. CuSO4. ठीक है? And copper sulfate is in what color, people? Anybody knows what color is copper sulfate? Blue. Okay, so iron being more reactive than copper will displace copper, will kick the copper to form what? So copper will be kicked. Okay, copper will be kicked. And what is formed? A green colored solution called FeSO4. Ferrous sulfate is formed here. What is formed, guys? Ferrous sulfate, which is green in color. Can we call this as a chemical reaction, people? Can we call this a chemical reaction? By using the Bollywood style? Exactly, because see, Something is reacting, some new products are formed. What are these? This is a new product, no? So it is a chemical change or a chemical reaction. Understood, everybody? Understood? Before they were very happy. Now they are sad. Rest in peace, bro. Got it, guys? Very simple. This is one more example of chemical reaction. Okay. Yes. Now we will understand one more. We'll understand. VQuiz we'll do, guys. VQuiz we'll do. We'll understand one more. So, okay, next, what happened? These two people went off. Now, Guddu's friends came. The hero's friends came. They made samadhi for him. Okay, they made samadhi for him. But they were like, okay, Guddu is dead. But what can we use to make samadhi for Guddu? What samadhi can we make? They were thinking what samadhi to make to Guddu. And they make a very strong samadhi using what? Tell me, guess what they used to make it. Batao jaldi se. What did they use? Anybody knows what they used? Bamboo is strong. They used strong iron. They were like, you will come and take revenge. So we will make iron samadhi for you. How good friends, no? But iron is not a very good metal. Why? Iron has a bad habit. Iron makes friends with bad people. Who are the bad people, guys? The bad people iron makes friends with is oxygen and moisture. These two are bad people, like super bad they are. Okay? Now, the iron comes in contact with oxygen and water. What is happening? Ayyo. Iron is slowly getting rusted. Iron is breaking. Slowly. God. Right? What is formed? Rust is formed. Can we call rust as a new product? Formula for rust, Fe2O3. Can we call rust as a new product? Yes. Can we call this as a chemical reaction? Why is it a chemical change? Because a new substance is formed, right? Yes or no? Yes or no, people? A new substance is formed. Yeah, even Guddu is not able to die also peacefully. What to do? Huh? What to do? Guddu is not able to die also peacefully. Alright. That is your one more example of your chemical change. Oh my god. How many examples I gave you today? How many examples? So as I told you, whenever a chemical change happens, there is a change in the color, change in the smell, right? Production of gases, energy is also released. Difficult to reverse. You can't reverse it. So if you leave a piece of iron in the open for some time, there will be some deposit on it. That is your rusting, right? When the iron is exposed to oxygen and moisture, rust is formed, which is basically iron oxide. Rusting is also a chemical change. Okay, do you know how rust is formed? Yes, see, iron plus oxygen plus water forms Fe2O3. That is your rust. Very simple. Okay, great. How to prevent rusting? Okay, prevent rusting, what do? We paint. We paint on the iron. We put oil. We'll do galvanization. Why? To avoid the iron coming in contact with water or oxygen. We add one more layer on top of them so that iron doesn't meet with that bad people. Galvanization pe hum log kya karte hai? We put some zinc on it. Zinc is a very good metal. Zinc doesn't get rusted. So zinc will be coating the iron and the iron will not come in contact with the water or oxygen. Okay. Stainless steel is made by mixing iron with carbon metals like chromium, nickel, manganese. It does not rust. Now, how to separate salt from seawater by a process called as crystallization. So crystallization is a process which helps to separate pure solids from the solution in the crystal form. Okay, for example, if you keep on boiling water which has salt in it, so much salt, and then you cool it down suddenly, you can find some crystals getting formed. Here we have formed the crystals of copper sulfate, because copper sulfate is also a salt. Okay, yes. Now let's go for the VQuiz, guys. Everybody, are you all ready? Are you all ready for the VQuiz? I'll quickly explain crystallization, then we'll go for VQuiz. Okay, what is crystallization? This is a very simple process. You guys also can do this in the home. Okay, look at this. Okay, Gudu is dead. His friends are all celebrating. I mean, they're feeling sad. They went for the party. They are like, oh, Gudu is dead. What can we do? Chalo, let's all go make some juice. So everybody goes and they starts making a juice, lemon juice. Okay, they start making lemon juice. How to make a lemon juice? Vedantu classes. Well, first we add some lemon juice and water. ठीक है, add कर लिया हम लोग. Then we add some sugar. Okay. One person tells, hey, I don't want sugar, man. I mean, there is very little sugar, man. Add more. Okay, he adds 2 spoons. Still not enough. They add 20 spoons. Okay, but he wants more. But after a point, guys, will the sugar dissolve in water? Will the sugar dissolve in water after a point? Yes? No, right? It will start settling down at the bottom. It will not dissolve. It will not dissolve. Now, in case if you have to dissolve this sugar, what can you do? What do you do is, you start heating the liquid. When you start heating the liquid, if you provide heat, it will increase the dissolving capacity of the liquid, and it will dissolve more sugar. So you can keep on adding sugar and you can keep on stirring it. That will become something called as a super saturated solution. But suddenly you are turning off the fire. You are cooling the liquid. Now all the dissolved salt or sugar has to come out, right? They will come out in the form of crystals. This process is crystallization. So when you cool down the super saturated solution suddenly, the crystals of that pure salt is formed. Pure crystals of the salt is formed. Okay. Now, where do you find the VQuiz, guys? The VQuiz link is right below the video. Click on this link. No, you can come to here. Yeah. Enter www.vquiz.in. Enter the code 227825. Come on. Everybody, come on, quick. Sir, I have a doubt. Can I ask? Yes. Convection is the mode of heat transfer which happens because of the movement of liquids and gases. Okay, Palash? Sir, what is the formula of what? FeSO4, right? I told you. 1 minute. If Gudu said, why are they celebrating? No, they are crying. Okay. Crystallization, different solidification of liquids. Yeah, correct. Okay, come on, guys, join everyone. I'm waiting for everyone to join. Go to Google, type www.vquiz.in and enter the code 227825. Galvanization is the process of coating zinc on iron to prevent it from rusting. Okay? Come on, let's go, people. Let's go. Give me correct answers. Let's go. Quick. Let's go. Come on. Thank you, Ganga Beta. Thank you. I'm waiting. Dikshita, no problem. Attend the VQuiz. Sir, you are so cringe. What to do? You can do one thing. You cannot see my classes. I'm saying it in the nice way. You are cringe. What's your name? Abhinav Jayaraj. Look at your DP. Your DP is so cringe. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me, baby. Yes, correct, Dave. Galvanization is the process where we apply a zinc coating on the iron to protect it. Okay? Let's go. You're the best. Yes, you guys are the best. Let's start. I'll wait for 30 more seconds and we'll start. What is your next class, guys? What is your next class? Let me see. Next class. Oh, algebraic expression. We have to complete that. We only have 10 minutes. Come on, guys. Join quick. Come on, quick. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys. Nahi ho raha hai. Why? Why is it not happening? It should happen. It will happen. Come on. Chahat, it is vanakkam. It's not vadakkam. It's vanakkam. Acha, next session is at 9 o'clock. Are you sure? Acha, this is at 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9 o'clock. So, no, not a problem then. Not a problem. Okay, here is your first question on the screen in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 5 questions. Let's do it. Which is a method to prevent rust? Crystallization, sedimentation, galvanization, none of these. What is the method to prevent rust? Let's go. Yes, now it is correct, Chart. Good. Digital, the link is not in the description. I'm talking about, oh my god. Why is full screen coming? Sorry, guys. Which is the method to prevent rust? Galvanization is the method to prevent rust. From how long was my full face coming there? Good job. So we have Vihan, Vaishnavi, Palash, Abhinav, Varsha, Mudit, Neha, Aditya, Chahat and Onair. Next question. Question number 2 out of 5. The question is not appearing, Ganga. Refresh once. Which among the following is a physical change? Cutting a log of wood in small pieces, burning of wood, ripening of fruit, cooking of food. Among the following is a physical change. Come on. Time's up. The right answer is option A, cutting a log of wood into small pieces. Great job. That is the physical change, guys. Amazing. Now comes the next one. Vihan, Abhinav, Vaishnavi, Mudit, Neha, Palash, Chahat, Varsha, Aditya, Josh. Next question. Question number 3 out of 5. Let's go, guys. What will happen if carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water? Calcium carbonate is formed. Lime water turns milky. Both of this, none of this. Quick. Come on. Guys, you had to enter the link. You had to enter the code. You should not go with the link below the video. That is for offline. Yes. So guys, both of these, no. Calcium carbonate is formed. That means because it becomes milky, both are same. Misclick हो गया, कोई बात नहीं. Vaishnavi, Mudit, Aditya, Vihan, Abhinav, Neha, Palash, Chahat, Varsha and Abhishek. Your 4th question on the screen, guys. What is the formula of rust? FeCl3, Fe3O4, FeO, Fe2O3. What is the formula of rust, guys? Come on, quick. Here we go. Come on. I want to see right answers. The formula of rust, guys. Yup, time up. It is Fe2O3. Iron oxide is the right answer, right? Good job, guys. Vaishnavi, Vihan, Abhinav, Mudit, Chahat, Varsha, Aditya, Neha, Josh and Insha. Last question on the screen. Which of the following is a chemical change? Bursting of firecracker, germination of seed, coal formation from buried trees, all of this. What is a chemical change, guys? Come on, tell me. I told in the beginning, HR gamer, you didn't listen to me. Time's up, and the answer is all of this. Yes, because in everything a new product is formed, right? Final leaderboard on the screen, guys. So we have Vaishnavi at the top, very good, Vaishnavi. Then we have Vihan and Chad. Great job, everybody. You guys have all done very well. Congratulations to all of you. And if your name is not there, chill, don't worry, because it's all about learning and fun. I hope all of you guys learned and had fun in today's session by learning about Gudu and the hero story, heroine story, all the stories, right? So we will definitely meet up in the coming class, guys, and don't you forget about hitting the subscribe button, share, like this video. So until then, guys, this is me, Mohan, signing off. All of you, take care, stay safe, stay as lovely as always you guys are. If you guys want to play the quiz link is right below the video. You can click on this and you can play the quiz. See, enter quiz, you can play question. There are 10 questions. You can always play this. Which of the following is a chemical change? We already played this. No, what is the change? Chemical change hota hai dissolving common salt in water, changing of water into ice, melting of ice, rusting of iron. It's a chemical change. Right? So like that, you have to keep playing. Got it? So I'll meet you guys all in the next class, guys. So until then, tata, bye bye, take care. Love you all. Bye.